2013 Honda Fit. On the back side here, it's this connector here. It's kind of a pisser to get to. Just kind of untwist it, pull out, remove the old bulb, and once you get your new bulb, insert it into the slots there. You kind of move back up underneath here. So it's kind of a piss pot to get in here and see. Click over here. And line up your tabs. And give it a little quarter turn. Make sure it's up in place. Those bulbs are a 194NA. It's a, I call them a little peanut bulb. They do make these in clear, but you want to get one that has this amber color to it. So you might be able to see a little bit better through the lighthouse, a little amber in color compared to clear. But hope this helps. Thanks for watching.